In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel pending payment on PayPal. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in paypal.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of PayPal, or you can also open the PayPal application if you want. Now if you have opened the browser initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in order to cancel the pending payment, what you have to do is click on this option, activity. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your activity interface. Now over here, you'll be able to see all the transactions. If you do not see your transaction over here, what you can do is simply search by name or email. So click on the search bar. Now enter the name or email of the person that you sent your payment to. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see those transactions over here. If your payment is still pending, you'll be able to find the option for cancel. So what you have to do is simply click on it, or what you can do is simply wait for 30 days. If the recipient does not accept your payment, it will be automatically cancelled. So like this, you'll be able to cancel the pending payment. So that is how you cancel pending payment on PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.